Automotive detailing kits maintain car appearance, protect surfaces, and ensure cleanliness and long-lasting value. My today's video is about top 5 best automotive detailing kits for 2026 that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Qocuzax Automotive Detailing Kits, the 8-piece professional detailing kit is a versatile and practical solution for keeping both your car and home spotless. It includes 5 specialized brushes, a 160g jar of reusable cleaning gel, a microfiber towel, and a compact organizer bag. With this kit, you can clean car dashboards, vents, seats, cup holders, and even household items like furniture, toys, or keyboards without needing extra tools. The thick, non-sticky gel grabs dust and crumbs from hard-to-reach gaps while remaining reusable, making it cost-effective and long-lasting. The set's brushes are designed for safety and efficiency. The boar hair brush handles exterior dust, the fiber brush cleans buttons and handles, and the ultra-soft brush protects leather and screens. The dual-head vent brush speeds up cleaning of vents and narrow crevices, reaching areas single-head brushes can't. With the bonus microfiber towel and portable storage bag, this kit is easy to store and carry. It's a thoughtful, high-quality gift for car enthusiasts and anyone who values a clean, polished space. Now our second product is Ttrcb Automotive Detailing Kits. The 26-piece professional car detailing kit from this set is an all-in-one solution for keeping vehicles spotless inside and out. It includes an extensive variety of brushes, cloths, mitts, and specialized tools, covering every cleaning need from dashboards and vents to wheels and tires. The kit even comes with a storage bag, making organization and portability simple. A standout feature is the drill brush attachment set, which allows for powerful, efficient cleaning of hard-to-reach surfaces. The long handle wheel brush and short handle tire brush provide excellent access to rims, hubs, and grooves, while soft bristles ensure no scratches. Additionally, the kit includes 5 detailing brushes and 3 wire brushes of varying materials, ideal for tackling different surfaces safely and effectively. The car wash tools, including a detachable handle, microfiber covers, spray bottle, and mitts, make washing and polishing easy and convenient. Overall, this kit is perfect for car enthusiasts, offering professional-level cleaning, versatility, and thoughtful gifting potential. Our third product is Autodeco Automotive Detailing Kits. The 40-piece car detailing kit is a complete solution for both interior and exterior vehicle cleaning. With a wide range of tools, including a low-pressure foam gun, vacuum with 5 attachments, wash mitt, detailing brushes, drill brushes, polishing pads, and more, it covers nearly every cleaning and detailing need for cars, motorcycles, trucks, RVs, and trailers. The foam gun's adjustable handle allows flexible water pressure, making washing quick and efficient. The vacuum delivers strong 7,500 pascal suction, easily removing dirt, pet hair, and debris. The kit also includes practical accessories like headrest hooks for organizing your car space and a stone cleaning hook for tires. All tools are made from soft, durable materials that are safe on delicate surfaces and gentle on paint while tough on grime. The window cleaning tool with a 180-degree swivel head makes glass and mirror cleaning effortless. Overall, this kit is highly versatile, well organized, and ideal as a gift for car enthusiasts or anyone wanting professional-level cleaning at home. Now number 4, Wontolf Automotive Detailing Kits. The Wontolf Car Wash Kit is a fantastic all-in-one solution for car enthusiasts who want professional quality results at home. Designed for cars, SUVs, RVs, and trucks, it includes everything needed for a complete clean: 16-ounce citrus car wash soap, interior cleaner, wheel cleaner, a premium microfiber mitt, a wheel/tire brush, and 2 microfiber towels. The super concentrated citrus car wash soap produces rich foam, making washing easy and effective, while gloss enhancers give your paint a noticeable shine. The total interior cleaner protects and simplifies interior maintenance by safely cleaning and protecting surfaces like leather, vinyl, plastic, carpet, cloth, glass, and wood with just one product. The sprayable foaming wheel cleaner gently removes dirt and grime, while the durable wheel and tire brush, with soft split fiber bristles and a sturdy handle, easily reaches tight crevices without scratching. Overall, the Wontolf Car Wash Kit combines convenience, quality, and fun, making car cleaning efficient, thorough, and enjoyable. It also makes an excellent gift for car lovers. And our last choice is ThinkLearn Automotive Detailing Kits. The Think Align Pink Car Wash Kit is a stylish and highly functional cleaning set designed with women in mind. Its bold pink accessories and padded storage bag make it both visually appealing and practical for keeping your car spotless. The kit includes an impressive range of tools: an 8000 pascals high-power vacuum with extended hose, brush nozzle, long tube, washable filter, an LED light, 7 detailing brushes, microfiber towels, air vent brush, cleaning gel, windshield brush, duster, and more. This comprehensive selection ensures you can clean every corner, crevice, and surface inside your vehicle efficiently. The vacuum's strong suction handles crumbs, pet hair, and dust effortlessly, while the soft bristled brushes protect delicate surfaces. The microfiber towels and cleaning gel help maintain a polished, streak-free interior, perfect for personal use or as a thoughtful gift for moms, sisters, friends, or colleagues. This kit combines performance, convenience, and style, making car cleaning enjoyable and thorough without compromising on aesthetics. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.